Hey everyone, Chef Jenny here, and I'm going to show you how to make cauliflower rice, in air quotes. So you're going to use it as a substitute in some recipes. So why we're using cauliflower in this recipe is because cauliflower belongs to the group of vegetables called the cruciferous vegetables. So like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, bok choy, they're all super good for your liver. And the point of a good cleanse is to give your liver some love. So eating more cruciferous vegetables is great. So that's one of the benefits of using cauliflower. Now, why we're using it as a substitute for rice, so you're not going to be eating any rice on this program, mainly because I think that when people are trying to eat gluten-free, which we are doing more and more, we're eating a lot of rice, like lots of rice products. And there's actually some studies that have shown that rice contains low levels of arsenic. So I just think that it's a good idea to bring out of your diet for a short period of time, these 14 days. You can put it back in when the program is over, but I think it's good to give your body a break from too much rice. But we obviously want to have like yummy like fried rice and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how to make that out of cauliflower. You're basically going to take a head of cauliflower and you're going to peel off the little stalks. La la. So you don't need to actually get it into florets, just make sure that it's in small enough pieces that your food processor can chop up. So just add a bit of at a time so that your food processor can get to it. And then once that's ground, add some more. So there you have it, like a rice consistency. So check out my cauliflower fried rice recipe, which is basically this sauteed with lots of vegetables and some sesame oil. It's really, really delicious. And you could also just lightly steam this or saute it in a pan and use it in place of rice in some of your favorite recipes. So remember, eating cruciferous vegetables when you're on a cleanse is like being really, really nice to your liver, which is what this whole thing is about. I'll see you next time.